So this is our metaphor activity. They're doing two different statements. When I think of myself as a learner and when I think of myself as an educator. And so they're combining text and drawings.
It's like shading on that. Oh my.
I'm good. I stole a wireless hub from Elizabeth from the library. Check out these metaphors.
There. That's a lot.
Isn't that great?